In the old city of Lucknow, there lived a humble calligrapher. Every morning, before starting any work, he would first write the blessed Darood or Salawat for Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Not one day did he forget, it was his daily gift of love. He would dip his pen into ink, let it touch the paper, and the first words of his day were always, for the Prophet, peace be upon him. Only after writing the Salawat would he begin his daily calligraphy work. Years passed, until one day his time came. Lying in bed, his breaths grew heavy, and fear gripped his heart. He thought, what will happen to me now? Suddenly, a majzub appeared in the room and asked the calligrapher in a gentle voice, Baba, why are you afraid? With trembling lips, calligrapher replied, I am scared. Majzub said, do you remember the Salawat you wrote every morning? Today, those blessed pages are present in the noble court of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and he, peace be upon him, is pleased with you. At that moment, his fear melted away. His eyes closed, not in fear, but in love, in hope, in longing to finally meet the one his pen had always honored first. Never underestimate even the smallest act of love for the Prophet, peace be upon him. One day, it may be the very thing that lights your way to him, peace be upon him.